Hey, this is Jack from Alpha Charts with a stocks to watch video. Today is June 25th, 2023. Before we get started, this video is for educational purposes only. These are not recommendations to buy, sell, or hold any stock or security. I may hold positions in some of the equities mentioned. Know your time frame and risk tolerance. Okay, quick look at the SPY. Oh, by the way, I am using DeepView for my charts today. Go to deepview.com if you're interested in their charting software. And if you like my content on Twitter at AlphaCharts365, please go ahead and subscribe for me. And also, if you really like my content, I do offer a super follow group. It's $10 a month. You get tons and tons of content, which I've talked about on here before. Just go to the profile, click subscribe. I think the value is there. I'm not going to spend that much time talking about it because I've done that in the past. And again, it's a great value if you want somebody that's going to help you just kind of navigate the markets and hopefully keep you guys in the best stocks available in the best areas, and also know when to press the gas on the market and when to press the brakes on the market, right? So again, subscribe there if you want. Okay, let's go to these charts. SPY. We had the pullback. We talked about being extended, had the pullback. And now we'll see if this pullback has legs, if it has more to go, or if it's going to start to kind of base out and go higher. Again, we're in the middle of summer. We have vacations going on and other stuff. So market gets a little wonky during the summer. We'll see if this is, again, if this pullback has any legs. But I do have about 13 names for you today that may be good setups if the market cooperates, right? First one is Unity Software. As it's pulled back, we can see that decrease in volume. And look, earnings. This is new. Excellent. DeepView just added this. The earnings dates are on here now, so that's great. So we got earnings coming up. Love that. The 30th. So be careful. It's next week. And again, this will be very volatile, probably through there. So just be careful for the earnings dates. Well, that's fantastic. What else do we have? STNE. This is a Stoneco. It's I believe a payment company. It's trying to make this base out here. And again, maybe this wasn't the right spot. Maybe this is not the right spot, right? But it's basically, I believe it's a payment company. But more importantly, it's coming out of this kind of this base, came back, retested, and now it's just kind of basing, based on base type action. It also has earnings coming up on the 30th, so be aware of that. What do we got here? This is GitLab. GitLab had a very, very strong move over here. Came back, retested the expected area of potential resistance. Now it's come back some, kind of drew these in now over a week ago. This is what we would expect. And as it bases and comes back around, this is where we can potentially get long this name, okay? So not quite ready yet, unless it's your style. But I think that it's being very constructive. FRSH. And again, this was expected to be pulled back like it did. And now if this holds this 23-day, it can move higher. So if you're into buying, setups like this, then maybe ready. If not, I'd watch for that breakout as Freshworks. Next up is BSY. Again, as expected, we got the pullback after it was extended. And now we'll see where this pullback kind of holds. I think BSY is one to watch as well. Potential future leader. BLCO, that's Bausch & Lomb. This was a recent spin-off IPO. As expected, it would have some resistance here. There's your pullback. Again, if it can regain its footing and move higher, that would be extremely, extremely constructive, obviously. All-time highs, right? It held the 9-day. That's kind of nice, right? DoorDash, DASH. Another one that just looks very constructive. And you see it's kind of got this base going here. We can kind of do this area right there. Earnings on the 30th as well. I don't know if there's everything on the 30th earnings. It's crazy. Anyway, check your earnings dates because this is a brand new feature they just added. So So it just seems like weird that everybody has the same earnings dates, but check your earnings dates for your own stocks if you're in any of these. But anyway, this looks really, really good. Snow. Right, another one, big, nice base right here, holding up well comparative to the market. Just this pullback as expected. And if we get the shallow pullback with a higher low, that's how bases are made and breakouts eventually stick. Right. Great looking chart though. CEG, energy company, Constellation Energy. So this was an important area right there, and it kind of got ahead of itself a little bit. Maybe it's making some sort of, cup and handle-ish-esque thing. But overall, it's a really strong, nice looking chart. Try to get to all-time highs. Couldn't quite make yet, so we'll see what happens, but starting to really look nice here. Yeah, see another one the 30th. So they're just implementing this. It may be not quite perfect yet. Check your own earnings dates. And CNO. So Encino, again, beautiful downtrend, and now it's coming back up and trying to just kind of, this means a nice looking flag here. And I think that we can just watch this one if it breaks the flag here. Again, this is kind of a steep flag, so it may need more time, but as it comes around, we could watch that one. Encino, WFRD, Weatherford oil and gas name, but nice tight consolidation overall. So definitely, I like how we have this tight movement of the moving averages, and you can then manage your risk against, maybe this low right here or this low right there. But overall, very, very constructive price action. Again, oil and gas name, GLBE, Global E Online. I love how this is decreasing volume as it's coming out, kind of retesting this general area. Nice look right there, especially if it kind of pops up. We can then manage risk very easily. And TMDX is my last one. Transmedics. And this is what I'm talking about. Like, if it's too steep, it doesn't look right. This was too steep over here. This, on the other hand, does not look too steep. Again, holding up very, very well, especially compared to the market. All right, so there you go. Good luck this week. Be careful. We're in the middle of summer. There's also a lot of vacations going on right now, so trading volume can get kind of weird. And then, with all the news events out there, especially with lower trading volume, that could be an issue. So again, good luck. If you're interested in my super follow group, would love for you to be part of it. Just click on at Alpha Charts 365, click on subscribe. All right. If you do it from a computer, that's even better because Apple won't take a bunch of money. Have a great day, guys. Good luck. Bye-bye.